So if I want to access data from a list, like I said, let's say I have this AR fruit, apple, orange, banana, 0, 1, 2, the indexes. So if I want to retrieve the value orange and put it in a variable, I would say strval, because I'm retrieving a string, equals AR fruit, so I'm referencing the array, and index 1. Notice that it is in square brackets. Okay? Index 1, square brackets, and then I could print that out. But when I do this, I'm setting the value of this variable to whatever's in that slot. I'm basically copying that value from here to here. It's not an existing reference. From a dictionary, okay, if I have this dictionary, name, age, job, email, with these values in it, and I wanted to get the employee's name, I could print the employee, and then I would put the string name referencing the key in square brackets. So one thing to notice is that while when I create a dictionary, I'm using curly braces, when I'm retrieving or referencing a value in that, I'm still using the square brackets. Okay. Another way that I could get the name or get the value for that is to use the get method, although this is typically what people use. It's sort of a shorthand. The get, there's no real advantage to using get at this point over the other.